Have you ever looked at a number and wondered what's the next 10? Today I'm going to show you a simple trick that will help you find the next 10 every time. Once you learn this strategy, mental math will become much easier. Hello everyone, welcome to Everyday Math Strategy, where we make math make sense. I'm so glad you're here. We believe math is a life skill everyone needs, from a child's first numbers to the math used in school, careers, and everyday life. Our mission is to help people of all ages build a strong mathematical foundation that leads to confidence and success. If you're ready to become more confident in math, let's get started. Today we are going to learn how to find the next 10 and how many more to make the next 10 for any given number. Before we begin, let's warm up by counting by tens up to 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Great job. So what does the next 10 mean? The next 10 is the next multiple of 10 that comes after a number. Let's look at a few examples. Let's find the next 10 after 6. 6. And I'm going to use my place value chart. I have my tens and my ones. I only have the ones. I have no tens for now. So I'm going to draw my 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We said we're trying to make the next multiple of 10. And so to make the next multiple of 10, I'm going to count to 10 from 6. That's 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now that I have a 10, I have to regroup because I've made a 10, and so I have to take it to the tens place. So I have to regroup. Regrouping is trading 10 of a smaller place value block for one of the next bigger place value block. So I'm going to trade these 10 ones for 1 10. So now I have no ones left. So the next multiple of 10 after 6 is 10. We added 4 more ones to 6 to make the next 10. And we also jumped 4 times on our number line to make the next 10. That means 6 needs 4 more to make 10. So the next 10 after 6 is 10. Let's find the next 10 after 47. 47. Whenever we're finding the next multiple of 10 for any given number that is more than 1 digit, we always focus on our ones place because that is where we can make the 10. And so for this, my focus is going to be on 7. But first, let's go ahead and draw our place value chart. Here we have tens and we have ones. I have 4 tens, 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, and 4 tens. And I have 7 ones. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're trying to make a 10, and our focus is on our ones place. 8, 9, and 10. Now that I've made a 10, I have to regroup it to my tens place. So I'm going to take my 10 ones. I'm going to move it to my tens place. I'm going to have 1 more 10. I will have no ones left. Now I have 0 ones. And I have 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, and 5 tens. And so the next multiple of 10 after 47 is 50. We added 3 more ones to 7 to make a 10. And on our number line, we made 3 jumps to make the next 10. So 7 is 3 more to make 10. That means the next 10 after 47 is 50. Now your turn. Find the next 10. I'll give you 30 seconds. If you need more time, feel free to pause the video. 36. My place value chart, my tens, and my ones. I have 3 tens, 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, and I have 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're trying to make a 10 in our ones place. That is 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now I'm going to trade my 10 ones for 1 10 in the tens place. And so it comes over to the tens place as 1 10. Now I have 0 ones. And I have 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, and 4 tens. And so the next multiple of 10 after 36 is 40. We added 4 more ones to 6 to make 10. And on our number line, we made 4 jumps to make 10. So 6 needs 4 more to make 10. The next 10 after 36 is 40. If you got it right, that is fantastic. Let's do one in the hundreds. Our number is 133. 133. Here is my place value chart. I have the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. I have 100. I have 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, and I have 3 ones, 1, 2, and 3. Remember, whenever we are trying to make the next multiple of 10, our focus is always on the ones place, because that is where we can make a 10. So I have 3 ones, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm going to trade the 10 ones for 1 10 in the tens place, and so I have an extra 10 and I have no ones left. My new number is 140, because now I have 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, and 4 tens, and so the next 10 after 133 is 140. We added 7 more ones to make the next 10. And on our number line, we made 7 jumps to make the next 10. So 3 needs 7 more to make the next 10. That means the next 10 after 133 is 140. Now your turn. What is the next 10? Take about 30 seconds to find your answer. If you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. 247. 100, tens, and ones. 200, 47. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, and 10. I'm going to trade my 10 ones for 1 10, and I have no ones left. My new number is 200, 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 5 tens, and 0 ones. And so the next multiple of 10 after 247 is 250. We added 3 more ones to make the next 10. And we jump 3 times on our number line to make the next 10. So 7 is 3 more to make 10. That means the next 10 after 247 is 250. Did you get it right? Great job if you did. Today we learn how to find the next 10 for any given number. Remember these simple steps. Look at the ones place. Ask yourself, how many more to make 10? Count up to the next 10, and that's your answer. And then remember, after you make a 10, you have to regroup by moving your 10 ones to the tens place. The more you practice, the faster and easier it will become. Thank you so much for learning with me today. If this lesson helped you, please share. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Everyday Math Strategies, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next math video. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, math makes sense.